I mean, if you're watching this video, you might as well get something to eat, because this is gonna be boring. Okay, so before I start, I'm gonna put all this in the box all together so I can take it outside. I am not. Okay. Okay. Where to go? Yeah, I can just pretty much pop it off. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I forgot about this. This shit doesn't even work, it went out. And then, oh, they popped out. Okay. Anyway, I'm kind of tired of these. I'm not even gonna keep them anymore. I'll probably sell them. Ugh. Or I'll figure it out later. Definitely, I'm going to a parking garage after this to see how they come out and how they look. This is the getaway of me having these headlights up because this thing broke. And I was in an accident recently, so. Okay, it's just a bolt left. I'm taking my sweet time, but I should have been done with this. Oh well. Okay. Alright, so both slides are out. I'm gonna start setting the new ones up. Oh, this flash is dying. I got one in, but I didn't record the process because I knew I was gonna struggle with it. But I pretty much run it down to connecting the wire here, running it down. I'm gonna have to see where I'm gonna place it. I think it's fine here. I don't think it's going anywhere and dangle off somewhere. But I'm gonna just play it safe. The wire zip tie it somewhere. But pretty much the process is, let me get the other headlight, and then your usual connectors, you put them together, and then so that's what's going on the whole time. Shouldn't take so long, just easy on two. I don't feel safe with this, but let's continue. Where's my drill? I left it somewhere. Connect this. Yeah. I seriously think it was a Honda or a Altima.
I was eating, I heard.
Is there a drill there? Or where they left the drill? Can you check over there? Me? Yeah, do it.
Oh yeah, look at that. Look. Built by Killer Performance. Yeah.
I saw the message, he was doubting me. Yeah.
He knows you.
Well, like, fuck you.
You just started like an hour ago.
So? Okay. This will be the final part, and I hope to fucking God this works. Let's see. This is ground red. Okay. This is from when I had underglow, so this shit needs to go. Leave it hanging is not a good idea, so I'm gonna cut that shit off. You are finished. No longer needed. So if I'll gladly put you here. Yep. Is it safe? No. Do I know? Maybe. Do I care? That's the big question. Do I care? I don't think so. Oh, mother's home. Okay. Let's see. Where was I? This it needs to go to. I'm gonna have to cut it. Or actually, I don't know where this is from. I think this is from the underglow, but this, possibly from the underglow as well, but I don't know. Really excited. I hope everything went well. There's always something when it comes to me. Wait, if it's 10, I can just use the drill. I didn't think about that. There we go. This is good, this is good. I'm really nervous. It's complete. It's just I need to fix the placement of this, but everything's there. I just need to turn on the battery in. Hope this went well. I'll just cut to it. Let me just connect the battery. Oh! Yo, this is cool. What? It's already doing its own thing. Nice. Okay, let me call Nico. I connected the battery. I still need to fix this.
Yeah.
But everything was already installed, right? Everything's there. I already tightened both sides. It's just there. It's ready to put on. Connect the battery and it started doing this.
That's sick. How do you connect to it though?
It says via Bluetooth, but I'm guessing it'll appear on the Bluetooth, and I gotta download the app. All right.
Do the actual headlights work? Have you checked it?
No. That's.
Go ahead and blind me real quick.
Actually, can you do that real quick?
Oh, you want me to do it?
Yeah, the keys. Yeah. Okay. Amber works. Go. Oh well, here's the key. Shit.
Miss. Turn it on?
Yeah. Huh?
Battery.
I didn't connect all the way. Yeah. Okay. Let me see the keys. Let me just tighten everything, and then we'll go from there. I only saw this one on. I didn't check right on here, but it still has the ugly, still yellow, whatever lights. But right, get ready to press the buttons whenever it starts honking. This is a 8. Where did I put the 8? Oh.
Well, I think it's because the door's unlocked.
She ain't going anywhere. Oh well, here's the issue. Only one works.
Are they both connected good?
This is the same side I'll have issues with. Turn on the car, or just have the AC on.
Turn it on fully?
Air condition. Okay, just leave it like that. Well, I'll mess with the. This is dope. Okay, I'm gonna have to mess with the. I'm gonna have to leave them on, until I get to find the perfect connection with the headlight.
Yeah.
My uncle's the one that fixed it last time. I forgot what he did. Leave it on like that, so I can know when it's on. All right, we're good. This is the result for the headlights. In the end, it came out good. Oh shit, what the fuck is that? But yeah, this is the app pretty much. You just alright, after fucking GoPro I died, but these are the headlights, final result. They look better in person. My bumper and everything is just the worst. But this is pretty much the app for it. In case people don't know, whenever they buy these from Striker Lights, you can just, they are automatically connect. You can start messing with the settings. These are the options, you know, whatnot, different modes. And what, shit, I missed the button. But yeah, you know, different modes for it. It's really cool. They work fine. I like it in the end. But
the next day.
this is dope. Oh shit. Dude, this looks really good.
Yeah, like, I don't know, I actually like it. Like, I would have pictured it differently, but it's very, like, how to explain it. It looks, especially with the blacks, pops out a lot more.
Yeah, I got you.
Bike scared me, bro. She's nice as fuck. And it's fast as fuck.
It's a clean bike.
What do you think?
Nah, it looks dope. He started to cut the...
Oh, that?
Yeah, but I told him, I'm like, well, probably when he messes with it and stuff, maybe I could see if I can install the new one.
I have to bring my RS34 down and get a real picture.
Oh, look, dogs.
Come on, Paul. Shit, I wish I wrapped this, bro. Fuck.
Yeah.
This thing is fucking too much power, bro. Yeah, he's a pro motocross rider, so he's like, I don't know, I guess has a bunch of like connections. I didn't even know that. Literally somebody, one of my buddies, did you see the guy with the Seeger? He's like, hey, my buddy wants to get his bike coated. Anyways, drops it off, whatever, and then he ends up like following on Instagram, and like I look at his Instagram, bro's pro motocross rider. I was like, god damn. I was like, no wonder you're riding an R1. He looks young too. I was like, dang, bro, you're riding an R1 like young, but this motherfucker could probably know how to drive this bitch. He's probably wheeling this bitch on the freeway.
That's how it comes, or it's just...
I don't know, carbon fiber.
This is a good color, though.
Yeah. Got carbon fiber on the inside, too.
This?
Like a tan?
He was telling me in the car, it was a dark tan.
Desert tan.
Desert tan.
Desert tan, but like there's two of them. I think this is a darker one.
Should I get a carbon fiber?
Yes.
What do you think?
Yeah. Like I'm saying, get the carbon fiber hood and then black out all the things you said you wanted to black out.
Yeah.
And they'll stand out more.
That dude has one for 500.
Like the one you want?
The true fiber? Yeah, no, it's a different one. It's I think Edgar had it in his old 50. But
Is it like kind of a cow hood?
no, ram hood. It's like two.
Oh, okay. Like the one we seen on that one Mustang.
Yeah.
That one wouldn't look too bad. Don't you have fog lights? Like the bottom?
It was optional. I got it without it.
Oh, but you can buy it.
Yeah. I'm good. On fucking drags. Come on. Nah, bullshit aside, that's my homeboy. I love that guy. A very good friend friend of mine. You can see he's obnoxiously loud. We're just gonna go get food. We're gonna pick up a homegirl real quick, and I think he throws flames too for a V6. I think he's about to do it right now. I'm not too sure. But this is a 2011 with a bunch of mods. He has a ton of bit. It's really nice for a V6. But I always bully him for it. I always make fun of him. What happened? What happened?
I was running 87.
Oh, 87? 87?
Oh, that's the.
That's the excuse? You were in the pussy mode still?
Let me race change my race tool.
Oh, race tools. Because the tires weren't enough.
Let me pull out my new gadget, my new
Your
device.
new gadget? Yeah, that piece of shit.
It's the payments received. It ain't the new gadget.
You know what? My car's locked. Cash up?
Yeah, I saw Edward Lynn. I didn't know.
Bad, dude. It was nasty.
Hey, bro, we just had a disagreement. Like, it's because this nigga's extra weight.
Wow.
Oh, you didn't have to look at
6 pounds extra.
Nah, she's forcing herself. Lightweight car with drags.
It's lightweight.
Yeah. What happened? Nah. It was nasty. It's not even how Daniel leaves
It
you.
has carbon fiber brakes, nigga. Just get that.
Shut the fuck. What are we eating?
What happened?
I sent it to myself. Right?
Bro, why you do that?
She said unlock it.
Look at this shit, boy. Look at, hey, how do you charge this hoe?
The road is. Okay. Do you have one of those?
Yeah, I have.
I don't want to hear anything. He even has this. Is it unlocked? Rob, unlocked? Oh, you can't see it, but no seats in the back either.
Open it. Flip it on, and then you turn it on.
And it doesn't fall.
How you feel about the whip? You liking it?
Loving it. Just need to put the quick release and fix the fibbing on the rear. Show the fibbing. Something minor.
Yeah, this one, if him is having issues. Oh no, I think this one's good. The other side is bad. He's gonna get new tail lights for that. Yeah, this is the tire.
Bro, I can't, I'm not gonna lie to you, I fucking love that.
Oh, it's he, the famous photographer.
Damn it.